Today we're going to learn what a concave and convex polygon, and more importantly, how to identify the difference between a concave and a convex polygon. So let's start with a simple shape like this. All right. So just excuse my horrible drawing. So the quickest way to identify, let's start with whether a polygon is convex. The quickest solution is to just draw a straight line. So draw a straight line across each of the line segments. So if you were to draw a straight line like this, it would never cross the inside of the polygon. See, if we draw another straight line across like this, it will never cross inside the polygon. If you keep doing that and you realize that it never crosses the inside of the polygon, then it's considered a convex polygon. Now let's say we have something like this. I'll give you another shape. Oh shit. Oh, that's horrible. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is not a perfect polygon, but just try to understand the idea. So let's try this again, okay? So for this one, we're going to realize that this is not going to be convex. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but if we draw a straight line like this, it's going to cross the inside. And if we draw a straight line like this, it's going to cross the inside. So this is considered Let me write this down. So this shape here is considered concave or non-convex. Whereas this one is considered a convex polygon. So the main idea is to use that concept of drawing straight lines across each line segment of the polygon. And if it crosses the inside, it's considered concave or non-convex. If it never crosses the inside of the polygon or the shape, it's considered convex. Okay, I hope that's clear and that's helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and comment.